This is Dr. Stephen Katz, and I'd like to show you how to replace an air filter in an Austin Air Model 400 air filter. I'm going to zoom in. You need a Phillips head screwdriver and you need to turn the filter upside down. Very simple. And so the only thing you have to do is to take out there are four screws. Pull this out. You're going to pull the old filter out and put the new filter in. You will replace the media with black or white. You see how dirty it is? Amazing how much dirt this picks up. And these are incredible filters. They have serial numbers as well, so you will know exactly the time, and they're under warranty for 5 years. 73s.